Hello again, it's Noob, and I've got a parcel to unbox today from Potti314, or Potti Pie, who is a fabulous and amazing and wonderful picker. Just a really, really nice guy. But first, before I unpack it, I just want to show you my new stickers. Look at these. Just got these through the post the other day. If you were at LockCon, then you probably might have picked a few of these up. I think I took just under 100 of them to LockCon and they all went, so that's really cool. And they're a bit different to my older sticker, which I still really like. I've got a few of these left, but if I ever do trades with you or I send you a gift, then you might be getting, or indeed you win a competition, you might be getting some of my new stickers as well. How cool. Right, that's enough of that. I kind of like them though, kind of look nice, don't they? In a sort of a shiny vinyl. So on to the package. Now, I had a little shake of this, and it sounds like there's some kind of liquid inside. So, yeah, I hope it's not paint or anything. I'm just going to slice into this carefully, or as carefully as I can. I'm not very careful with these things, I have to say. Oh, I can see there's a note here, so I'm just going to remove that and see if there's anything personal on it. Oh, it says, this is just a little something to keep you busy. Enjoy the beverage after decoding and have fun with Pack A. The other locks in Pack B have a modified side marked with M and a bit more difficult. Have fun too. Don't hesitate to swap them if you want for convenient gutting. It's all yours. Happy pickings, Potti. Wow, okay. I'm really curious now. Pack A, Pack B, beverage. Okay, well, here's the drink. What have we... Oh, fresh green tea with, looks like a wine bottle thing. Can you decode this? I guess you can. I'll have to have a go at doing that maybe later. I won't do it on camera because I need to figure it out first, but that's so cool. I guess I've never ever thought of having to buy one of these to save a drink. But you know, it's the green tea drinks are incredibly popular. I wouldn't be surprised if some people need one of these to keep it secure. Anyway, right. What else is in here? Cool. Just for fun. Oh, cool. Yeah, these can be great fun, can't they? These combination locks. There we go. I've already got it open, and the code was what's it supposed to be? 338. No? 448? I don't know. I did get it. And now I can't seem to get it back. Maybe it's somewhere in between. It's whatever that number is. 349? Yeah, 349. There we go. Wow, that was quick. A and B. Right, just check there's nothing else in here. I will check again before I throw it away, just in case. And let's have a look at these. Okay, so A. Oh, cool. Right, so you don't see this format very often. These are very similar to a Scandinavian oval, apart from a lot smaller. Sort of a very strange little format. So this is Omek. Really cute. Really like that. Very nice. It's like Christmas. Vero. Do you know what? I don't have a rim cylinder by Vero. You see quite a lot of them in commercial properties over in the UK. A local Burger King of mine has Vero. There we go. Nice bitting as well. I like Vero. Good Italian make. DL, formerly from VDE, who I see around on YouTube. So VD. Now I don't know much about this, but I can almost certainly tell that it's Chinese in origin. Yeah, got a strange inside there. Let's have a look. Has it been picked? I think it might be the wrong way round. So yeah, that's right. But they look like maybe wafers inside there. Kind of cool if it is. I really like that. Okay. Now, according to the notes, the other locks in pack B have a modified side marked with M. So these are stock, and these ones are a mixture of, I'm guessing, stock and modified. Okay, so this is a modified side, which might be harder, and then it says Titan on it. Oh, these are a Titan. I actually have a 3-star Titan here. There you go. I think that's a that's a 3-star Titan here. Just happen to have one. You see the difference between the 3-star and the standard one. Because, well, it's got all these anti-snap protection on it. That's cool. So I've got a modified side and a standard side. That's really cool. So I'll get a couple. I could maybe get a couple of videos out of that. And what's this one here? Very cool. Be interesting to see whether modification actually makes it harder or easier. I suspect sometimes it makes it easier. Ooh, look at that. An IFAM. Do you know what? I don't know if I have an IFAM dimple lock. I picked a lot of dimple locks. Lots of Aseos, that's for sure, and Escura and things like that, but I'm not sure about these. They've got a modified side. I don't often get modified dimple locks either, so that's really cool. Very much looking forward to picking those. Wow, I am absolutely stoked by that. Potti, that was incredible of you. So nice of you to send me a package, especially one as cool as this. I cannot wait to get in there and have a good old pick, especially to see whether that one is indeed a dimple cylinder. Cool. All right. Well, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.